It wasn't that incredible, ladies and gentlemen, just truly amazing. At this time, we want to invite Guru Richa Sharma, Kishan Sharma, Sanchita Sharma Reddy, and Manoj Madhavan back to the stage, please, to felicitate our partner. Do they need a microphone?
Is it possible for Aparna's parents to be on the stage, please? It was amazing performance by Aparna. The hard work paid off. The trips to New Jersey paid off. Every weekend, so many months. It's so creditable, like for Aparna, with 2 young boys, but not without the support of the family. Manoj, thank you. And that was the thing which a husband backbone is way like a backbone of the family, right? So she could have not done if that support by both the boys and Manoj was not there. And definitely, Aparna's parents, so much art from the beginning, so much good education from the beginning, that's like creditable. And I will give the mic to now Aparna, or Manoj, who wants to speak.
You to kind of bestow Aparna with the diploma now that she has done a public performance of Rangmanch. She has earned it. This is a Visharat certification. Yeah, you can take it.
I will give this diploma to Manoj also. Aparna, can you come with it?
That's a protective mauli that usually we give as a protection.
Protection, love, and dedication of the.
Like I said, this is a coming of age ceremony that you're witnessing, where she now has elevated from a student and a disciple to a performer with the blessing of her guru and as her family as the witness. I want to invite Aparna now to close this ceremony.
How are we doing on time? We're perfect on time, thank you. Well, I already said that I love public speaking, but now I'm at a fail for words. I really don't have enough words to thank everyone. I'm definitely going to forget a few people, so at the onset, let me thank everyone who are here, directly, indirectly, who took the time out to come here in person, who are not here but send wishes from far, who have been my direct, indirect supporters throughout this entire journey. I don't want to miss anyone. Please know that from the bottom of my heart, I thank each and every one of you. Thank you so very much. I'm trying to do this in the chronological order, so that's how I thought. But again, if I miss somebody, please don't take any offense. I want to start with my parents, who have always supported all of my endeavors, dreams, wishes. Being the single child I am, I've always gotten them to say yes to pretty much everything I want. My slightest wish was always their strongest command. I took full advantage of that, I know it. But there was one time I remember, around the 12th graduation. I was so passionate about dancing, and my dad said, if you're so passionate, you should probably not go for engineering. Instead, join a dance school like the Diksha Seth Academy or something, and then graduate from there. So those days, people don't really tell the children to not go to engineering and instead go for dancing. But my parents had the confidence and the, progressive mind to tell me to go dancing. But, I chickened out, and I also had a fairly good sense of self-awareness where I knew that while dance is my passion, I know I'm not talented enough to be a professional. That requires a different level of talent, so I'm good with this. I still have a profession, but I can pursue my passion. So came with that, and thanks to my parents who have always supported everything right from the beginning, and today the fact that they're both here is a huge blessing to me, so thank you both for coming and making it to this event and supporting me. Then my immediate family, Manoj and kids, like everyone said, they've been a constant part of it. I started Kathak in 2005 when I first came to US right after marriage, and since then, Saturday mornings was always dedicated to Kathak. Kids knew that they cannot mess with my Saturday schedules. When they were all younger, I would drag them to many of the programs. As they got older, they're like, yeah, we got enough of it. We're not really coming to anymore. But they were constantly there, always supportive, soccer schedules planned around it, all of those. So again, I couldn't have done this without their constant support, encouragement, and all of that. So huge, huge thanks to each and every one of you for the support. Manoj's mom, Auntie is here. Auntie called me into Narita, but my first memory of Auntie is when I was in 3rd grade, I was in a dance program. My dad took me to the dance program. My mom couldn't come. And actually, Auntie helped me with my hair makeup. She was the one who helped, undoing my hair and everything after the dance. So since 3rd grade, she has seen me dance. She has been there for many of my programs. And the fact that she is here today for Marangaitam, it's a huge blessing. Thank you so much for being here. I don't know if any of my childhood friends are here. Some of them RSVP'd. I don't know who all made it, but I definitely know some of my CET friends are here from back in the college days. If you're here, please shout out. I cannot see anyone, but huge thanks for making it out here. I know at least Ajay is here all the way from Boston. I cannot see if Anne is here from Jersey City. Maybe she is. But all those friends who supported through high school, college days, and who could make it here, huge, huge thanks. Then coming to my professional life, I came to US. Barclays was a huge turning point. Like today, Hamid is here because we worked together at Barclays, and for the longest time, it has been my dream to... We have planned it for such a long time that, Hamid, you should sing live, and I want to perform. It never worked out, but at least this is the closest we have gotten. But next thing, we have to do a live duet, so I'm really looking forward to that. For sure. And Barclays gave a lot of opportunities for cultural exploration, so many great things, lots of great colleagues there. So from there, I really start to enjoy the cultural community in the US. When you first come to US, you think that you have to say goodbye to all of those, but Barclays taught me that that's not the case, and the friendships I made there and the community I got to know there was amazing. From there, years passed, and my life really changed once I met Minnie. By happenstance, I walked into a Chinmaya meeting. I don't even know how I met her, but that literally changed my life. She introduced me to all of the Tiruvadura gang. Several of them are here. And through them, I got my Chenda family. They were all here performing. So she was really the linchpin that expanded my reach of community here and the friendships and the strong support that I'm having here today. And it was kind of mutually beneficial because she introduced me to all that world, and I pulled her into Kathak. Now we are both richer and stronger and better off for that relationship. So thank you for being that linchpin to all of this. Then at some point, obviously, all of the engagement that has happened earlier in the days of the Malayali magazine, I was very involved in Malayali magazine, the first print magazine for Malayalam articles, literature in US, which we then started a Malayali FM channel. I see Sujata here, who was also an RJ at FM channel. The friendships from there just came out of nowhere to support me for this program. Some of you might have seen the photo shoot that I did, and some of the pictures that came out, the several photographs, was all done through connections from the Malayali magazine. Even the brochure, the entire brochure was designed, printed, shipped, everything for free on friendship basis by my friends from the Malayali community there. So I'm hugely blessed to have known that group of people who just came out of nowhere from Boston and California and Florida and other places to support me through this. Then I have to give a huge thanks to the Kadavar community here. For the past 6 years, I've been very active in the Kadavar community, and it really taught me how to build a muscle in events management. Like I was a sucker for event management from 6th, 7th grades onwards. I loved planning events, running events. I was active in YMCA, Wiseman, ran national, international events. But then it all came crashing. Once I came to US, there was not an opportunity to do huge events. It became birthday parties or small Onam events and whatnot. But Kadavar really brought back that muscle memory to me. Like Rajivan and Vijesh, you are here. You've been my gurus in how to run the events here. If you actually saw how this was planned over the 6 months, I'm sure you'll be very proud of me. I've done everything you have taught me in the way that, efficiently how to run things. So it was done pretty much, to the dot how the rules and the framework they have set. I don't have 15 committees or 25 subcommittees, but I had like 12, 15 strong women. Mostly this event was run by mostly all women crew, except for some of the food committee team that helped out. So this was a very strong, predominantly women crew that ran the whole thing. And you all know that I'm a sucker for efficiency. I don't know if Anwar is somewhere here. I know he'd love to hear this. The whole event planned for about 6 months. I've only had 3 conference calls. That's it. 2 Zoom calls, a 30-minute WhatsApp call. That's it. No further Zoom calls, no further unending conference calls. Everything was run offline, chats, texts, Google shared images, and that's it. And that's how this event was run by, again, very efficient group of very highly dedicated, super functioning women. I also have to thank the people who came out of nowhere to support, like the stage. The entire stage decoration was run by Thanya and Danila and Shilpa and Ritu, and they just came and said, we got this, delegate and conquer, we got this, we're gonna take over this, we'll do this. The photo booth outside, Janaki, Devika, Ratika, their parents, they all just came and said, no, we got it, we're going to do this. So they all came from all around the place and told me that you possibly cannot do it all on your own, ask help and we are going to help, and they all did that. I miss my early US days and some of the friendships that I made in the early days of coming to US. I have a big crew here from New Jersey. Midi, I think Asha is here. Chandru, I see. I cannot see everyone's faces, but that whole New Jersey gang who came all the way from New Jersey, huge, huge, huge thanks. I know Sweetie Chichi here somewhere. Hopefully she came all the way from Maryland. I know she made the drive to come all the way. I see a hand go up there. So many people travel from far to make it to this event. Huge thanks again. The music crew that performed here with me, I've only had 2 practice sessions with them, but the way they handled everything went flawlessly. I have to thank each and every one of the guest performers. Now, before I thank, again, I have to thank Minnie. She's a linchpin to a lot of things in my life. The best advice that Minnie gave me is this. As I started planning this, she told me, make sure when you're picking the guest performers, everyone is 5 times more talented than you are, so they can cover up for your flaws. That was a guideline that she gave me. I followed that to the dot, and starting with Gauri, who kicked off the event, followed by Devika, Ratika, and then Kishanji, and then Hamir, and then Ritika, and Justin, and the music jamming session, they were all immensely more talented than I am, and I'm sure they made the experience a lot more elevated because of that, so thanks to each and every one of you for doing that. If I missed anyone, I'm coming to that saving my Kathak sisters and teacher and family for the last. But if I missed anyone, I apologize already. You've been a huge part of this. But now I'm going to my sum. The reason I say I'm going to my sum is because my Kathak sisters, Didi, Sanchita, Kishanji, they're like the sum to me. When I was reciting the Tal, I said sum is the runway that you land. Wherever you go, you land on the runway. It's your first beat and your last beat. These girls, Didi, and the extended family have been there with me for more than 12 years. Every ups and downs, every heartbreak, every sorrow, everything that goes through in my life, one of them knows about it, and they've always been there to support. If something happens in my family, Siresha is running to the temple with all the mantras. If something is messing up in my brain, Minnie and Shari is jumping in with the right things to do. If something needs organizing, Dhanya, Mamta, Ritu, they're all jumping in and saying, we got this. And Didi has already said, I am her daughter. I look at her as my own mom. Sanchita, you're not a single child anymore. You have a sister here. We both are single children, so we get each other really well. But this extended family is my sum. They're my beginning and my end. They're my first beat and my last beat. And the lehra will keep going, the rhythm will keep going. But knowing that I can always land back on this sum will keep me grounded. With that, thank you so very much. Thank you. All right, one thing I couldn't miss. If I look somewhat presentable today, it's because of this lady, Pooja Kumari. She's a makeup artist. She's from Chester Springs. I know many of you are considering Arangetams and other such around here. She is fabulous. The level of dedication, the perfection that she brings. She was sweating more than I was just looking at how my makeup was getting messed up. So, Pooja Kumari, I'll send her Instagram details. Please, please, please know that she has been super amazing. Also, huge thanks to George and Mel and the entire Uptown Canaver Theatre crew that really had us set up things yesterday and then run flawlessly today. Oh, I forgot the food crew, Babu, the two Babus who came from all the way from New Jersey earlier and then helping up with the food setup. Thanks to them. Sure, I'm missing somebody, but really, guys, you all mean a lot. Thank you so very much.
I think Aparna couldn't just give enough through her words, so she has to give you something tangible, Rita, so you have to accept it. I know you'll usually say no, but this is coming from the heart, the brain, the foot, everywhere. Yeah. Kishanji get a small one because he doesn't dance. He only sings. Thank you, everybody. With that, we are concluding this event for the night. And yeah, we are going to go into the quintessential, absolutely must-have photo sessions now. So if anybody wants pictures with Aparna, please feel free to come to the stage. But if you're very, very hungry, food is on the third floor, first floor, second, third floor. So that there is food there, warm, delicious food. But before that, if you want to take pictures, this is the perfect lighting, backdrop, everything. So do come. Thank you. You guys have been awesome audience. I want to say this. Thank you for putting up with all our quirkiness. But it has been an amazing evening with all of you. Thank you.
tomorrow. Cake cutting now. So take the cake to your mama.